Verifying your domain on eVerify is an essential step to ensure your business is recognized and trusted. Follow these simple steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Create an eVerify account. Visit the eVerify website and create an account if you do not already have one. Fill in the required information, including your business details and contact information. Step 2. Access the domain verification section. Once logged in, navigate to the domain verification section of your account. This area will provide you with the necessary options to start the verification process. Step 3. Choose verification method. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use Src to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach vectors 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Implement the chosen method. Follow the instructions provided for your selected verification method. If you chose the TXT record, log into your domain registrar and add the record. If you opted for the HTML file, upload it to the root directory of your website. Step 5. Confirm verification. Return to the eVerify platform and click on the verification button to confirm your domain. The system will check for the changes you made and notify you of the verification status. Completing these steps will ensure your domain is verified on eVerify, allowing you to utilize the platform effectively.